Hi there. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. I wanted to quickly check out this SwanScout 703s portable 3-in-1 charging station. It was sent out to me by the brand, but of course, there's no obligation to make any video saying good things about it. It's just for me to be able to check it out and see if it's something that fits my lifestyle and if I could recommend it to my audiences. So I'm doing this live and direct, no cuts in between the videos to just check out what this device really is and if it's something that fits my lifestyle. So this is designed to actually work with Samsung devices. If you go to the SwanScout website, you're able to see they have specific charging slash charging stations for Android devices, for Samsung, for Apple devices, and all that. And I've checked out the website extensively. I think I like the brand, I like what they're doing. And this particular one actually has LED lights in front of it. I have not unboxed it. So with my audiences, I wanted to check this out and just see what comes in the packaging first before we talk about all the specs and features of this 3-in-1 portable charging station. So opening that up right now, I think I like the overall external packaging so far. So if we open that up, okay, I gotta pull another box out of that. A box and a box. I guess they're thinking outside the box. Okay, so I got a box, then another box inside. Well, not exactly a box now. So if you're looking around before I mess things up here, we have the warranty card. Every SwanScout product has a 1-year warranty, which is good. If there are problems with the device, you can return it and replace without any reason within a year. I think that is good. Warranty card, warranty information. And then you get the user manual, which I guess most of us actually do not read. I particularly, for one, do not exactly read user manuals, but it's there if you need to. And then we have the charging pad itself. They said it was portable. I didn't expect it to be this portable. So you can slam that up. Nice. And then, all right, that is good. I'll put it aside for now and see what else comes on the box. So this is the charging pad itself. Really nice, handy, and beautiful. I think it's nice, sturdy, pretty also. Although the material feels plasticky, but I think it's to reduce each generation. I know that it has this vent sides around it to allow it to dissipate around. And then finally in the box you get the, I'm gonna get rid of those boxes now, and this one here, you get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and that is for plugging this into your power source. So I will just do that in a bit now. Okay, I think I was winding it the wrong way. Now that I've got it, that is set. So I got this USB cable. This feels to be about a 1-meter cable, which is not bad. All right, so we get this plugged in now. And then find the power source somewhere on my desk here. I think I can comfortably use one of my laptops for this, but of course in real life I would be using a proper charger. It doesn't come with a power brick by itself. So get that connected up, and right in front you could see I need to pull this off before I start using. So the default time it comes with on this device now is 316, which we can change. We can always change the brightness by tapping here, which I think is nice. And then before I set the time really, let me get my phone on this platform and see what comes. So it shows that my phone is charging and then the phone is connected. Although this is designed to work with Android devices, I want to see if it actually works with my wife's Apple devices. I don't use Apple devices, that's a disclaimer. Well, I use Apple devices, but not as my main devices. So yeah, but you get what I mean. My wife is the Apple person in the house and the Android person in the house. So I'm gonna have a Apple Watch slammed on here, Okay, that is not working for Apple Watch. Okay, let us try AirPods. And the AirPods are charging because they're pretty much, you can see that right up there. Maybe I connected that the wrong way. Okay, doesn't work for Apple Watches, but of course, if you add what's it called? If you add wireless chargeable, what are wireless chargeable watches? Maybe it would work. I guess it's sort of the magnet side here is sort of resisting the watch. That is why it's not charging. But if your watch can do that, that would be nice for you. So that's that about the watch. It doesn't work with Apple Watches. So maybe try the Samsung devices if you have one, if it works. But of course, if you've tried this before in the comments, let me know if it really works. But I think for the phone and the AirPods, it's charging. So if your earbuds support wireless charging, it's pretty much good to go. And then your phone is pretty much good to go with charging also. I think I would prefer this to the traditional ones I've been actually using on my desk. I've been using this one on my desk for a very long time. Pretty nice also. It doesn't have any other thing, just charging the phone and a USB out with it. It's nice, pretty. But then this adding time to it, I think it's pretty nice. Although my phone shows the time, but I think I can now get rid of this on my phone. Or if I have a phone that doesn't support that, you know what? Let me test my iPhone with this. My iPhone also charges. That is pretty nice. Okay, so it charges both iPhones and Android devices. That is pretty nice. And yeah, pretty much I think that is good. So let us try to set the time. If you look on the side here, there's a button. Not exactly sure what the buttons do now, but if I read the user manual, I would have known. If I press it down, I'm not sure anything happens, but okay, let's try. Put this on. No. Okay. So to stop charging, I press that. No. Yes, to stop charging, I press the power button on the side here and it stops charging the devices, and I press it and it starts charging the devices. That is pretty genius. Yep, that is pretty genius, I must say. What else? So let us try to set the time now. To set the hour, press and hold the time setting button for 3 seconds. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. So it is 11:26 a.m. by my time. 11. Then change the minutes. It's 11:26. And that is set. Boom. Time is set. That is good to go. And I'll be reviewing the user manual much later. I should have read that really. So it's pretty straightforward all the while. And I'm charging. I can get this back now on the stand where it normally is. My old friend is now bye-bye. And I'll get this hooked up to my normal power station. And nice and beautiful it is. Yeah, I like it. I like how it is on my deck setup. So if someone was to ask me what I thought about the SwanScout portable charging station, I would say yes, go get it. It's affordable. I'll put the price in the lower third of this video post-production. And having reviewed the website and the products they have, I think they're affordable enough for the quality they offer. I didn't actually plan to say so much about the device, but looking at what comes in the box, I think the time showing bit is what drew me to it mostly. And I like it so far. On my desk, I think it looks beautiful. I have to turn my wife's AirPods anyway and get my own chargeable earbuds, but pretty much on my desk it looks pretty nice. So if you're looking to buy this really, you should be someone to get the best value out of it. You should be someone who has a combination of 2 or more of the devices this works with. That's your wireless chargeable phone, your chargeable earbuds, and then your chargeable watches. I don't have a chargeable watch right now. This is what I own, and it's, well, works for me so far. But if you really want to get the best value out of this, you need to get those devices, but you can do it at a time, get the device, then buy your watches and chargeable earbuds later on. But if you were to ask me, if I had those two devices, if I'll be getting this with my own money, I think for the quality they offer, if I knew of this brand before I bought all the other wireless phone charging devices in my house, I would have gone for them. That's a simple fact. I would have gone for them because they look pretty nice and easy to use, easy to unbox, to use them and time display, especially for someone like me who wakes up in the middle of the night, and for my wife also that just wants to check the time without having to pick up a phone. This will come in handy. So if you're charging your device in the middle of the night, you want to check the time, you can always have a peek and see. And of course, even if your phone is not docked on it, you can always still check the time, which I think is nice, which I think is good, which I actually think it's pretty genius. This device right here, I would recommend it 100%. It's when they reached out to me, it was the first time I was hearing of the brand, and I went to their website, checked their products, and I was like, yeah, I think my audiences will actually love this. So I decided I was gonna check this out for a review, and here it is. So that is the SwanScout 703s. Like it, love it. I'll put the link to get one in the video description, and also as a pinned comment if it's something you're not interested in to get in your setup. Although I will try to fix the time sync thing. But as for now, something I would have probably loved, although I guess it's not something that would come in at a device at this price point, is if the time was actually showing my phone time. But hey, that's another shoot. That's another shoot. That is another shoot. So pretty much that is what I think about the SwanScout 703s. If you like it, let me know in the video comments and description. Oh, sorry. So pretty much that is what I think of the SwanScout 703s 3-in-1 portable charging station for your Android devices. I like it. It's nice, it's good, it does what it says it will do, and then it's user friendly, except for the time I didn't know the manual, which I should have. But yeah, I would recommend it if it's something you're looking to get on the market. And pretty much that's it. I will be seeing you again in yet another video, and as I say, stay safe and goodbye.